Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to put together and care for your homogenizer. Now let me show you just how easy it is. I have an IKA T25 homogenizer. Your model may vary from mine, but this video will at least give you some guidance. So we'll start by placing this sleeve onto the inner shaft. Then we're going to place the plastic split bearing on top of the sleeve, wide end first. Then the metal bearing on top of the plastic bearing. Then we're going to place the inner shaft with the bearings on it inside the outer shaft. And then we're going to pop the stator head on top. Now that screws in an anti-clockwise direction. Finger over the top. We will secure the inner and outer shafts together before we place the rotor on and screw in. Now this rotor goes in a clockwise direction, the opposite to the state rotor. And we can use the shaft key to tighten that up. Then to disassemble, we start by securing the inner and outer shafts. Use the shaft key to unscrew the state rotor. Then use the small end of the shaft key to undo the rotor. Then to clean it, I like to use a straw cleaner. So this helps to get into all the little nooks and crannies where the product gets stuck, and it fits into all the nice little small spaces to clean it properly. Then I give all the pieces a spray with 70% isopropyl alcohol and leave it out to air dry before reassembling. See, and that's how easy it is to put together and care for your homogenizer. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!